The side panel is part of your grill's base. It attaches between the front and rear legs and supports the lower shelf. The plastic panel can be damaged if it strikes something, or if something falls on it. Replacing the side panel is a repair that you could do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The side panel is secured to the barbecue with 2 clamps and 2 screws on either side. I'll go ahead and remove them. With the fasteners removed, now I can go ahead and pull the panel away from the shelf. Now I can install the new side panel. First, I'll align the tabs on the shelf with the openings in the back of the side panel. Then I'll align the side panel with the holes in the legs and now I can secure the side panel with the fasteners. First I'll place the clamping bracket through the holes on the legs and then secure with the screws. And I repeat this on the other side. And that's all it takes to install a new side panel on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.